Okay, final video. So this is for you, Daya, specifically. I hope your name is Daya. Let me know if I've mispronounced it, because I'll be talking via videos a fair bit. So for you, the work that you will be working on is in the Queensland Springbrook National Park folder. So this is the location that we're doing. I've got the Springbrook brief sitting loose in that folder, which has instructions that you can follow as per that schematic. It's all filled out, so what image to use and then what size to make it, and you should have enough detail to fill in the file name as well. The raw file, you don't need to go into that. That would be too large. Well, it's a large download. You don't need to do that. What I've done is saved out a pre-process folder. So these files here are exactly the files that relate to the brief, and that file is about 600 megabytes, so not too large to download. So that's essentially it. I think I've covered all bases and briefed everything in. If I've left anything out or if anything is unclear, please let me know. More than happy to go over things to make sure that we're on the same page. So thanks so much, and talk soon. Cheers.